View right now of downtown San Diego, right here. A gorgeous place, obviously, to stay. Any of our local hotels, as you know, feel luxurious. Why not do a staycation? 65 in Poway right now, 64 in Escondido. We're looking at upper 60s for a lot of you this morning, 68 in Chula Vista and 70 in Julian, 80 Borrego Springs. And our visibility just dropped a little bit more in Ramona. So that's the area where some patchy fog may impact your commute a little bit. Overall, though, we have marine layer clouds. You can kind of see the grayness in this view. Our satellite imagery not showing green on the screen except for in Arizona, where there's still some rain coming through. A little bit picked up in Mexico, but then now some of that's sweeping in yet again for Arizona. For us, we're not going to see that chance today. Don't expect to see thunderstorms building over our mountains. I don't think it's going to work its way further towards us. 75 in National City, pretty mild and nice today. 79 in La Mesa, 84 in Santee and El Cajon. If you're along the coast, I mean, low 70s for a lot of you in Encinitas, 77 in Oceanside, 81 in Fallbrook and Palomar, 86 in Ramona. Taking you now to our deserts, 107 in Borrego and Ocotillo. So, of course, that's where it's hot. But look at where it's hot for much of the country. I mean, the California coastline, the coolest spot that you'll see here, these are the national highs. We're in the 70s, while everyone else 90s, triple digits again in Texas and Oklahoma. So two ridges of high pressure are taking over. This has been staying put right over Texas into Oklahoma, really causing dangerous conditions, wildfires, excessive heat warnings, and now there's this one over the Pacific Northwest, which of course is also causing its own set of issues. That's why excessive heat warnings are in place for places that are not used to temperatures in the triple digits. What we're watching for is our transfer moisture that's expected to arrive, but not until Saturday. So it looks like Saturday afternoon, that's when we could see more monsoonal moisture. Thunderstorms, it could come on through on the west slope of our mountains. Kind of depends on how unstable our air gets, how big these storms become. So Saturday and Sunday, those are the days where our chances increase the most. That's something we'll be watching for very closely. And then as far as your surf goes, 2 to 4 foot waves with the potential of 6-footers. Rip current risk is moderate. And then our water temperature in La Jolla right now, it's 69 degrees, but we're anywhere from 67 up to 72 degrees, depending on what beach you are at. So, yeah, pick a warm one. At 10:30 will be a high tide, 3.7 feet, low tide, not too low at all, around 2:48. Now, looking at your 8-day, not much change in your forecast right there, as you see mid-70s at the coast through the weekend, and then mid to upper 80s inland. We do warm up a little bit, as you'll see Monday and Tuesday of next week, and then again, weekend, watch out for that. That's when we could see thunderstorms.